Yes, thank you so much for giving all these opportunity to demonstrate our learning process or procedures. Um, these are one of the part that was very difficult for me from the initial stage to coming to the AWS Academic Learning Labs and launch it, as it is easy for me now to do. This was one of the part that was very difficult for me to get this concept, but I was able to get it through the grace of God. I was able to uh learn it properly. Um, so as we learn from our Canva, we are not try. I am not trying to demonstrate the entire thing. I've already done the assignment, and but I'm very happy. I'm trying to do this because it was one of the difficult tasks for me to start. So like going back asking other students, how the whole process is like. So um I'm happy to see myself doing it. Yeah, to see myself doing it. So this is why I'm just trying to study the entire process here. But I'm already done with my assignment. But these are one of the part that was very difficult for me from the initial stage. So I'm very happy. I want to be thankful to my instructor. Yeah. So I'm very happy that I'm doing this on my own. This I'm so blessed to be part of BYU Pathway. So okay. All right. So I love doing this. I'm not demonstrating, sir, but I love doing this. This was one of my issues here. It was one of my issue. This was one of my issue to a mate. Yeah, this was one of my issues in the entire process. This part really used to give me hard time. Yeah, to Sally, I could understand all the other concepts clearly, but this one really used to give me headache. So I'm so thankful that I can understand. This is why I'm just trying to go and go over this to study, but I'm done with my assignment already. So this was one of the difficult part that I overcame. Yeah. Okay. Right now. Okay. I'm gonna copy my password. Um get back to my remote and do control and V copy. Oh, this part gave me a hard time. Um I just need to do right click to paste. It was not working. Okay. So okay, yes. Yes. So I love doing this. I admire this part. Yes, I admire this part because seeing myself getting started, starting my Windows servers uh without difficulties, um um these are one of the process that really make me feel good. Yes, yes. Okay, come on. Okay, okay. So I'm already here. Um, so I got my assignment done. I started my window. I started my servers manager, and one of the difficult part was after starting my window manager, Come on, come on. Okay. After starting my window manager, my servers manager, I mean, after starting my server manager, coming to tools, knowing the difference or the differences of these tools, especially the one that we use, Active Directory, Usual, and Computer. So this is how follow the instructions from my Canva, uh, and I was able to to do this properly. Yeah. So I probably came after selecting as Active Directory, Usual, and Computer. Um, came to exam where I created my the first assignment we did in the first assignment we did last week. We did it where we created our local account using exam.local. So I was able to get right back using my same Windows server, and I was when I opened this Active Directory, Usual, and Computer. I was able to do a left click or right click. I was able to do a right click and then come back to the priorities. Come back to priorities and then sorry, um I did a right click and then came to new and I came right to organizational unit. Um, right in organization unit, I was able to create all of my various department, all the various department like the RT manage the management um and so forth. Yeah, the management, um the HR, accounting, and once again, yeah, accounting, the IT department, the accounting, the okay, stakeholder. Yeah, I can remember all of them. Yes, these are what I can remember all of them. So I started firstly by I created the HR. From there, I went to the department, the HR from HR. I went and created RT. Then I came to management. I came to research. I came to stakeholder. I came to the auditor and so forth. So I created all of these. I created all of these new OCHEP in the organizational unit. After that, after creating all of these one, then I was done with this one. So I had to leave from here. I had to leave from here after creating all of them. I came back to my file explorer and then file explorer, and I came and I created a folder called Middle East. Within the Middle East, within the Middle East folder, I created the same way again. I created local folder which was accounting, auditor, employees, HR, RT, management, research, and stakeholders. So after creating all of these in the Middle East folder on my desktops, um, I'm now left this area again and went back to Active Directory, Usual, and Computer. Come on. Okay. So I created new user. So I was able to create a new user. So this is what I should have done first. I came to new user. I created a new user here. Created a new user. Okay, I created a new user here. After creating, with all the listing that were given to us in our Canva, um, which I cannot remember all of that name now, but all those names were given to us in our Canva. So that I came here, and then I have Fredo. I cannot list all of their names right now. I can't remember all of their names, but I can remember Fredo. We have Fredo. We have Mary. We have Mary, and so forth. So I was able to create all of these usual one by one, and then one of these things I did that was very amazing. Now I got to understand the structures of an organization, and then one of the things like let me just demonstrate one here. I've already done like I will create this name, the initial name that was not in the list, just to see something that was very amazing to me. Like let me just add the initial um let me just add different initial, like let me put my wife name. Evely. Okay, my wife name is Evelyn, and then like okay, yeah, the initial Lonkin name is I did it with small letter Evely, and then okay, so next, and there where I got to understand the importance of this, like where one of display was created a password, very strong one, like G. Okay, then this play was very amazing to me. The user must change password as next login. No, then password never expire. When I came to this play, I really got to understand the cloud service. In cloud service, you can really have some control over individual. You can have some control over neutral. Yeah, these are places were very amazing, and where when I saw the account is disabled, I saw all those softwares were very amazing to me. Yeah, so next, and then it was finished. So this is how I was able to. This is how I was able to like right now I have Everlink as a user. So this is how I was able to create all of my user. And then after creating all of these user, I was able to highlight. I was able to highlight like all those that were assigned in one folder, like the IT department, and the IT department. Like I have two users here that I was just trying to practice, like my wife Evelyn, and then my own name Roland. So like for example, these are the two users, and I'm going to highlight them, and then like I was able to highlight them and place them to where I was able to highlight move, because we have to move them. I was able to move them. to each here move. I highlight both of them. Then okay, all right. Like for example, I was able to highlight a two-person that if they are assigned to management, I move them to management. Or if they are assigned to stakeholder, like employees, we don't have employee, nobody assigned to employee. So like I will have to move these two people to employee and I move them there. So like two people or among the listing that were given to her, employee is not there. We created employee, but employee nobody was assigned to employee. So I just placed my wife and I as an employee. Yeah, this is Evelyn and Roden. We have been placed here as an employee. So here, these are one of the part that was very important to me that I understand was difficult, but gradual process I was able to grab it. And right now this is why I'm doing the practical on my own. See here Evelyn and Roland. So this is how I was able to get through with my assignment. So I came after this. I have to come back to the Middle East folder on my desktop I created. I have to come back here and come back to Middle East folder, and then in Middle East folder we have all these department, like the accounting, the auditor, employee, HR, IT, management, research, and stakeholder. So we have to give all of them a permission according to their positions or their work. So like accounting in our I'm sure in our uh, uh in our Canva instruction given to us for accounting is like we have to give accounting full full control, allocate them full control. So I did a right click and I came to priorities, and then right to priority we came to security, and from security we came to elite. In elite we came to art. Yeah, to art. Okay, this individual in accounting that needed to be added here. um Let me see if I can remember that name. They are already here. Okay, they are already here. I got Philippine. I got Philippine. I got Galom. So, for example, I have to add in here and then put their name here one by one. After placing their name here, um, and their name will be like this here. Then, if I were asked by my instructor to give them, if I were asked by my instructor to give them full control of modifiers or read and write, this is how I'm going to do it. After that, I go to give them the permission they deserve. Okay, so like here, they are modifiers. They are people that need to be, they are modifiers. So I gave them modifiers. I mean, they does not have full control, but they does not have full control. So I gave them modifier and click apply and click OK. So I have to do. I did this for all of those section, all of these group. Those that belong to auditor and employee, HR, IT, management, research, and stakeholder. Give all of them the permission. Um, and then like here, the employee here is I and my wife. Yeah, so like it's I and my wife because this one was not privilege was not given to all. Nobody was assigned in that department to demonstrate my knowledge. I have to assign I and my wife there. So like for employee, let me just demonstrate one of the things that I learned that I feel joy. I so elite and here. I'm going to click add. Then I'm going to act like I and my wife, we are here as employee. So I'm going to put Evely, Evelyn. So I'm going to press OK. And here Evelyn appear here now. So I and Evelyn, we are employee. So we will now have full control. So let's take for an example. And Evelyn, we are just employees. So like for example, we just take, I will give her read. Okay, let a read and write. Okay, I give us permission to read and write. Read and write and read and write. I give one example as an employee, read and write because we are just employee. So click apply, click OK. So done. My wife is employed. We read and write permission. So on I too got to come back again and click edit and then click add and then add my name, like for example Roland. Okay, okay, and then okay, okay. So I'm coming back all the way to read and write. So I get read and write here. I get read and write to us and then click apply as an employee. So click OK. So done. So this is how I was able to do my assignment. So thank you. Thank you so much. This is how I was able to and right now. Um I can go in and out over and over. And this is just part of me now. Yeah, so thanks so much. Thank you so much. And but I would really love to ask this question. So if I was blessed to get a privilege to lead a company. So this is how I want to set up the entire structures of the company. Thank you. God bless you.